So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital virtual currency that is secured by cryptocurrency, which make it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrency are decentralized network based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a separate network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by a central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Understanding cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currency underpinned by cryptographic system. They enable secure only payment without the use of third party intermediaries. Crypto refers to various encryption algorithms and cryptographic techniques that safeguard their entire such as elliptical curve encryption, public private key pairs and hashing functions. Cryptocurrency can be mined or purchased from cryptocurrency exchange. Not all e-commerce sites all purchase using cryptocurrencies. In fact, cryptocurrencies even popular ones like Bitcoin and hardly used for retail transaction. However, skyrocketing value of cryptocurrencies has made them popular as trading instrument. To a limited extent, they are also used for cross-border transfers. Blockchain. Central to appeal of functionality Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. As its name indicates, blockchain is essentially a set of connected blocks or online ledgers. Each block contains a set of transactions that have independently verified by each member of network. Every new block generated must be verified by each node before being confirmed, making it almost impossible to forge transaction histories. The contents of the online ledger must be agreed upon the entire network of individual nodes or computer maintaining a copy of ledger. Experts say blockchain technology can serve multiple industries such as supply chain and such as online voting and crowdfunding. Financial institutions such as JP Morgan Chase are testing the use of blockchain technology to lower transaction cost by streamlining payment processing. Type of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency and most person called Satoshi Nakamoto invented and introduced.